Hello again and welcome to Chapter 2. I just have a couple of things for Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is set up very much the same as Chapter 1. So you will have in your e-learning course the assignment checklist, your Chapter 2 guided notebook file, which again I encourage you to download and print so that you can take notes, and the Chapter 2 discussion board. Remember, there are things that you're going to struggle with, there are things that you're going to enjoy, so post some of each for your classmates to take a look at. Today I really wanted to spend a minute in the My Stat Lab course. So I've actually logged into the instructor view of My Stat Lab, and I wanted to go a little bit over some of the interactive assignments. So last week, or last few days when I was online, I could not view both the interactive assignment and the homework because I didn't have a 70% on the interactive assignment in my fake student view. Today I am on my instructor view, so I wanted to go over some things. So when you are in your Start Your Interactive Assignments, you have first a splash screen which tells you what sections you're going to be working on this particular chapter. These are aligned with the sections that are on your checklist on e-learning, so it should match. For example, for Chapter 2, we're going to be working on 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. Now the main focus for Chapter 2 is to get it so that you can take a large amount of data and put it into something that's easily relatable. So either a table or some sort of graph. We'll be working on both of those things this week. You will be working with data points, so get ready to do some graphing on your own, and you will have to do graphs both in the interactive assignments and in the homework section this week. So looking at section 2.1, for example, the 2.1 interactive assignment has several parts, and you're going to be looking at bar graphs on this one, and it is due on the 24th at 11:59. All the assignments this week are due on the 24th at that same time. So again, you can navigate over here with the arrows, or you can navigate on the objectives on the top. You have also some question help built in. So this is a review assignment from last week, or from Chapter 1, and you have some guided solutions if you click the Help Me Solve This button. If you get really stuck, Ask My Instructor is where to go. So I will get an email if you have an Ask My Instructor question, and it will give me a screenshot of exactly what you're looking at when you get stuck. So feel free to email me in that way as well. So as you go through the objectives, you'll learn some information about bar graphs in this particular one. And then in addition to the interactive assignments, you have the homework sections. So for example, this is the 2.1 interactive homework. And this one particular one has 11 questions. Now once you're in a question, it launched on my other screen. Let me pull it down to this screen so you can see it. Once you are in a question, you can navigate to the next question with the arrow at the bottom, or you can close it and go back to the main view and pick a different question. Whatever whatever you'd like to do is fine, and some of them are drop down, some of them are things that you have to calculate this week. So you will need a calculator. Make sure that you have your calculator, and my suggestion is you purchase one now if you don't own one, because it is never a good plan to buy a calculator the week of the midterm and try and learn how to use it. So if you don't have a calculator, get one this week so that you can start to use it and be very used to it before you get ready for the midterm. All right, I will see you later on, and I hope you have a good day.